Hey guys, it's George from Clips.B, and today, very quick video, I want to show you something here. Look at this channel. At first, it seems dead, see? But here's the catch, they have so many videos, which means they rely on a search strategy. The search strategy, unlike the browse strategy, is that you have to create a lot of videos, answering the most common questions people have, and therefore your videos can rank and give you a predictable views and money. I will show you the channel here on Social Blade, and as you can see, really stable growth, amazing views and amazing revenue. This here is calculated with a $4 RPM, but I think this channel is more like an 8 or a $10 RPM. So this number here can easily be double, at least. I want to show you some similar channel like this, Thrive Media. Also you can see a lot of videos here, and a new video 2 hours ago, 2 views, 3 days ago, 100 views, 58 views 3 days ago, 5 days ago, 72 views. The interesting here with these search channels is that they seem absolutely dead. And if you don't know what strategy they use, you think these channels are not worth it. But this is not true. See Thrive Media here, also again $2,000 to $3,000 stable growth, and again this number here is calculated with a $4 RPM, so this can be easily be double, even triple in some cases. So they're making money, and the cool thing here is predictable. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how we can create similar videos like this for a search based channel with our software here, Clips.B. Turn text into an animated video in minutes. As you can see, the last video here, is Samsung Smart TV good? Super vague question, but actually people are searching for it. So let's test it out. Go to our tool here, Clips.B, create an account, you can start for free, and then create a new project. Now my project name here is Samsung Smart TV Good. And you have the option here to select from a single presenter or a multiple presenters. This way you can have 2 people talking like they are on a podcast. I will select this format. Now here, this is our basic interface. You can choose from a multiple characters, different backgrounds. I will select this background here. Yes, like this. You can even import your own custom character here. We handle automatic lip sync and everything, but I will leave a link in the description for a full tutorial how to do that, because in this video I want to focus just on how to create fast videos for a search based topic. So I will not do that. I will leave these characters like this. Now, when you're here, just go to idea to script and let's type this super simple prompt. Talk about this topic. Is Samsung Smart TV good? And that's it. This is just an experiment. Remember, we want to create super fast videos. You can change the maximum duration. I will keep it to 1 minute. And you can change the conversational style between educational, storytelling, debate, and instructional. For this video, I will keep it educational because I want they to talk about why the Samsung TV is good, to give a good reasons for that. So yeah, click here, replace existing script, and this will change the basic template that you're starting with. So click generate script. And just like that, our script is ready. Super fast and super easy. Let's check it out. Hey Arya, have you ever wondered if a Samsung Smart TV is a good choice? Hi George, I've been curious. Are they really as good as people say? And now they talk about this topic. Is Samsung Smart TV good? If you want, you can delete some parts of the text, you can add stuff, you can change stuff. This is a text editor and everything is super easy, like you're using a Google Docs. Now if you want to add some stuff here, you can click here George and you can type something. See how easy it is? It's super easy. And this is just a simple text editor, but I will delete that because, as I said, I will leave a full tutorial in the description. Now, if you're lazy, leave the script like it is. Just go to project settings and you can embed subtitles in the video to make it more engaging. And that's it. That's everything. Basically, that's it. Now, I will just click the only button here to start render. And now a small pop-up window will come here. To confirm that our video is rendering. And now let's wait and let's watch the video. And yeah, our video here is ready. Click download and let's watch the video.
Hey Arya, have you ever wondered if a Samsung Smart TV is a good choice?
Hi George, I've been curious. Are they really as good as people say?
Definitely. Samsung Smart TVs offer excellent picture quality, especially with their QLED technology. The colors are vibrant and the details are sharp.
That sounds impressive. But what about the interface? Is it user-friendly?
Absolutely. Samsung's Smart Hub is intuitive, making it easy to navigate between apps and features. Plus, it supports popular streaming services like Netflix and Hulu.
What about the sound quality? Is it decent without external speakers?
Samsung TVs often have good built-in audio, but for a superior experience, many users add a soundbar. Their Q Symphony feature even syncs audio with compatible Samsung soundbars.
Interesting. Are there any downsides?
Sometimes Samsung TVs can be pricey compared to other brands. However, the quality and features often justify the cost for many users.
Thanks for the insight, George. Sounds like Samsung Smart TVs are a solid investment.
Alright, that was all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. As you can see how fast it is. In less than 2 minutes we've created this video. You have here the option to upload photos, to generate photos with AI, to make it more customizable, but I wanted to create the video as quickly as possible. So as you can see here, these channels rely on volume. So you have to take these questions here or find new questions and just mass produce a lot of videos. And if you find topics that have a demand but low supply, you will rank and you will start to make money. And that's why I think our tool here, Clips.be, is perfect for this job, because you can create so much videos so fast. Just type a question and they will talk about it like they are on the podcast. And on another video I will talk about how you can find topics for a search-based channels. Let me know in the comments if I should do that. Yes, this is a really good strategy. I personally do it for one of my channels and it's working absolutely amazing. Okay, that was all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.